blue skies and a sunny day. Off to the fields where the big boys play. Where you win and half, you'll be glad you came to the big home game.
How would you like to pitch for the pros someday?
You serious?